Welcome to the Quiz channel. Get ready for some fun riddles for kids and adults. Let's test your thinking skills. Can you solve these brain teasers? But before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's see if you can solve this one. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Are these coins, footsteps, memories, or time? And the correct answer is footsteps. The more you take, the more you leave behind. You leave a trail as you walk. Here comes your next riddle. What has to be broken before you can use it? Is it glass, egg, seal, or lock? And the correct answer is egg. You need to break an egg to use what's inside. Delicious logic. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Am I tree, candle, pencil, or person? And the correct answer is candle. It stands tall when new, and burns down as it gets older. Bright thinking. Ready for the next challenge. What can you catch but not throw? Is it ball, cold, frisbee, or wind? It's cold. You can catch a cold, but you definitely can't throw it. Let's see if you can crack this one. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? Am I robot, phone, echo, or shadow? And the correct answer is echo. It repeats your voice, even though it has no mouth or ears. Sound logic. What has a face and two hands, but no arms or legs? Is it doll, clock, painting, or watch? And the correct answer is clock. A familiar face with hands, but no arms or legs. Think fast. What gets wetter as it dries? Is it sponge, towel, soap, or water? Think fast. And the correct answer is towel. It gets wetter the more it dries you. What a neat twist. What goes up but never comes down? Is it smoke, age, balloon, or rain? And the correct answer is age. It only increases with time and never comes down. True for everyone. Here comes your next riddle. What has one eye but can't see? Is it storm, needle, cyclops, or potato? And the correct answer is needle. It has a sharp eye, but it can't see. What begins with T, ends with T, and has tea in it? Is it teapot, tent, ticket, or tablet? And the correct answer is teapot. It starts and ends with T, and also holds tea. Let's see if you can crack this one. What has many keys, but can't open a lock? Is it keyboard, keychain, piano, or safe? And the correct answer is piano. So many keys, but none can open a door. Pure musical logic. Here comes your next riddle. What gets broken if you don't keep it? Is it trust, rule, silence, or promise? And the correct answer is silence. Break it with a word, and it's gone. Let's see if you can crack this one. What belongs to you, but others use it more than you do? Is it voice, name, phone, or identity? And the right answer is name. Everyone uses it to call you, more than you use it yourself. Here comes your next riddle. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Am I plant, rock, fire, or shadow? Correct answer is fire. It's not alive, but it grows and needs air. Next one is, what has a neck but no head? Is it shirt, bottle, guitar or snake? And the correct answer is bottle. It has a neck, but no head. No scarf needed. Here comes your next riddle. What kind of room has no doors or windows? Is it mushroom, bathroom, locker room or ballroom? It's mushroom. It's a room in name only, no windows, no doors. Let's see if you can crack this one. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile and I'll smile back. Am I mirror, egg, ice or balloon? And the correct answer is mirror. Break it and it shatters, smile at it and it smiles back. Ready for the next challenge? What can travel around the world while staying in the same corner? Is it phone, stamp, clock or camera? Right answer is stamp. It stays in the corner of an envelope but travels far. Special delivery of logic. Let's see if you can crack this one. What is full of holes but still holds water? Is it sponge, basket, jar or net? And the correct answer is sponge. It's full of holes but still soaks up water. Absorbing answer. Here comes your next riddle. What has legs but doesn't walk? Is it a table, a dog, pants or car? Right answer is table. It has legs but doesn't walk. Here comes the last riddle. The more you take away from me, the bigger I get. What am I? Am I hole, balloon, shadow or river? Right answer is hole. The more you take away, the bigger it gets. Great job solving these brain teasers. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Quiz channel. Stay tuned for more exciting riddles and puzzles coming your way.